Production begins with aerospace-grade metals and advanced electronic materials. Every batch is digitally verified before entering the manufacturing line. Aluminum alloy billets are prepared for precision robotic frame machining. Each component follows micron-level manufacturing tolerances. The torso frame is carved from solid aerospace-grade aluminum. Precision machining creates mounting locations for future components. Every robotic frame is measured against its digital blueprint. Automated inspection ensures structural accuracy. Separate machining cells produce the robot's arm structures. Joint housings are engineered for smooth future movement. Robot leg structures require exceptional strength and balance. Multiple CNC systems operate simultaneously for efficiency. Sharp machining edges are removed automatically. This process improves safety and assembly precision. Anodizing protects aluminum components from wear and corrosion. The coating increases durability for long-term operation. High-efficiency motors provide movement for every robotic joint. Precision copper winding maximizes electrical performance. Stators generate the magnetic fields needed for motion. Every winding is inspected before final motor assembly. Servo motors convert electrical power into precise movement. Each unit is assembled under strict quality standards. Every servo motor undergoes automated performance verification. Only approved units continue to assembly. Precision gears multiply torque inside robotic joints. Accurate tooth geometry ensures smooth operation. Gearboxes transform motor power into controlled robotic movement. Each transmission is assembled with precision alignment. Actuators become the muscles of the humanoid robot. These modules will power every major joint. Electronic intelligence begins with multi-layer circuit boards. Each panel is prepared for precision circuit fabrication. Complex electrical pathways are formed with photolithography. These circuits will connect every robotic subsystem. Thousands of electronic components are installed automatically. High-speed robotics ensure precise component placement. Controlled heating permanently bonds every component. Precise temperatures prevent damage to sensitive electronics. Automated vision systems inspect every solder connection. Defect-free boards continue toward robot assembly. Specialized AI processors become the robot's computational core. These systems enable perception, reasoning, and control. Each controller board undergoes comprehensive functional testing. Only fully operational systems move forward. Vision sensors provide the robot's ability to see. Clean room assembly protects optical performance. Precision lenses are aligned for accurate machine vision. Micron-level positioning ensures image clarity. Vision systems are calibrated for depth and accuracy. Every sensor must interpret the environment correctly. Motion sensors help the robot maintain balance. Force sensors allow safe interaction with the environment. Every sensor is calibrated against known movements. Accurate feedback is critical for humanoid stability. Custom wiring harnesses distribute power and data. Every connection is labeled for assembly accuracy. Electrical continuity testing prevents wiring faults. Verified harnesses move directly to robot assembly. Mechanical and electronic subsystems finally come together. The humanoid robot begins taking physical shape. The robot's upper arm structure is mounted onto the shoulder actuator. Precision alignment ensures smooth future movement. An advanced actuator is installed to power elbow movement. Each joint is engineered for precise positioning. The forearm structure completes the robot's primary arm assembly. Low-friction bearings improve motion efficiency. The same precision process is repeated for the second arm. Balanced construction is critical for humanoid performance. Hip actuators provide the foundation for walking and balance. These powerful joints support the robot's entire body. Lightweight structural legs are attached to the hip system. Strong materials reduce weight while maintaining strength. Knee actuators provide controlled bending motion. Every joint is tested immediately after installation.
The lower leg structures complete the robot's primary leg framework. Precision fitment ensures stable movement.
Sensor-equipped feet help the robot maintain balance. Ground contact data is essential for walking.
Power and data networks are installed throughout the robot. Protected cable routing prevents future wear. Each actuator receives power and communication links. Secure connections ensure reliable operation. Motion sensors provide real-time balance information. They continuously monitor the robot's orientation. The robot's head assembly provides sensor positioning and communication. Neck actuators allow natural directional movement. High-resolution cameras become the robot's eyes. Precise alignment ensures accurate machine vision. The robot's AI computing system is now installed. All systems are connected and ready for first power-up.
The humanoid robot receives power for the first time. Engineers monitor every subsystem during startup.
Automated diagnostics verify communication across all components. Every subsystem must respond correctly. Control firmware is installed into robotic controllers. This software manages every joint and sensor. Advanced AI software is loaded into the robot's computer. This enables perception and decision-making capabilities. All sensors are synchronized into a unified control system. Accurate timing is essential for stable operation. Each shoulder joint is calibrated for precise positioning. Movement accuracy is measured to microscopic tolerances. Arm joints are calibrated across their full range of motion. Software records precise movement characteristics. Lower body joints undergo extensive calibration. Accurate leg control is essential for walking. All calibrated joints now operate together. Engineers verify coordinated body movement.
Balance systems are tested under changing conditions. The robot continuously adjusts its posture.
The robot performs its first assisted walking sequence. Balance algorithms are refined with every step. After calibration, the robot walks independently. Engineers evaluate gait efficiency and stability. Vision and motion systems work together during object handling. Precise coordination is required for manipulation tasks. Critical safety systems are tested under controlled conditions. Immediate response is required for certification. Every humanoid robot undergoes a comprehensive final inspection. Approved units move toward final finishing and packaging. With internal systems approved, exterior components are prepared. Each panel is inspected for cosmetic perfection. Protective body panels shield the robot's advanced internal systems. Engineered for durability, the exterior delivers both strength and a refined, modern appearance.
Arm covers protect moving components from dust and impact. They also create the robot's finished appearance.
Leg covers are fitted around calibrated joint systems. Careful alignment preserves full range of motion. The robot's head enclosure protects vision and communication systems. Precision openings maintain sensor performance. Protective optical covers shield sensitive camera systems. Special coatings preserve image quality. Automated inspection systems verify cosmetic perfection. Every visible surface is analyzed in detail. Final cleaning removes microscopic dust and fingerprints. The robot is prepared for presentation. Brand markings and identification labels are applied. Each robot receives traceable manufacturing records. A final operational test confirms full functionality. All systems must perform flawlessly before packaging. Battery systems undergo endurance validation. Engineers monitor performance under extended operation. Charging systems undergo comprehensive verification before shipment. Reliable energy management ensures consistent performance in real-world deployment. Protective packaging materials are prepared for transport. Every component is designed to prevent shipping damage. Custom packaging secures the robot during transportation. Shock-absorbing materials protect sensitive systems. The completed humanoid robot is carefully secured for global delivery. Final documentation and tracking records prepare each unit for shipment and deployment. Completed humanoid robots enter the logistics staging area. Every shipment is tracked through a digital inventory system. Shipping information is verified before dispatch. Every robot remains traceable throughout delivery.
Robots are grouped according to customer destinations. Careful planning maximizes transportation efficiency.
Automated handling systems load robots for transport. Each crate is secured against movement during shipping.
Final shipping inspections ensure safe transportation. Security measures protect every shipment.
Finished robots begin their journey to customers worldwide. Logistics operations move with military precision. Shipment fleets depart the manufacturing facility. Each robot is ready for deployment in the real world.
Behind every robot stands a vast manufacturing ecosystem. Thousands of precision processes work together seamlessly.
Advanced manufacturing systems track every stage of production. Real-time analytics maintain quality and efficiency.
Each finished robot reflects thousands of engineering decisions. Quality remains the foundation of every unit produced. Finished robots demonstrate movement, balance, and coordination. Years of engineering come together in a single machine.
The completed humanoid robot represents the future of intelligent machines. Precision engineering meets advanced artificial intelligence.
Behind every robot is a team of skilled engineers and technicians. Their expertise drives innovation forward.
From raw materials to intelligent machines, every step matters. Advanced manufacturing transforms innovation into reality.
After 90 stages of precision manufacturing, the humanoid AI robot is complete, ready to assist, learn, and shape the future.